Today, we will guide you through the process of installing an eSIM on an iPhone. To begin with, you will need a stable internet connection, which can either be Wi-Fi or mobile data, a device that's eSIM compatible, and a device that is network unlocked. Now you can start installing your Travel Roam eSIM. Installation. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap Mobile Service, press Add eSIM, then select Use QR Code. Now you have two choices: install using a QR code or install manually. To install using a QR code, scan the code with the camera. Alternatively, if you have a photo of the QR code saved, tap Open Photos and select the QR code from your gallery. To install manually, tap Enter Details manually, which is featured on the same screen. Check your email for the codes we sent, then paste them into the correct boxes. When you've completed installation, the Activate eSIM screen will appear. Press Continue. This can take several minutes. Now press Done. Next, select the label which shows your new plan. Rename this label to Travel Roam, followed by your destination, and tap Continue. Select the primary line as default and press Continue. Then set iMessage and FaceTime to primary, tap Continue. Now select Travel Roam as your mobile data option. Make sure Allow Mobile Data Switching is disabled. This will ensure you don't receive additional data roaming charges. Job done. Activation. Once you reach your travel destination, you'll need to enable data roaming. Go to Settings, then choose Mobile Service. Select your Travel Roam line, turn this on, then tap Data Roaming. Go back and make sure your Travel Roam line is showing as default for mobile data. Now you're ready. Roam the world for less.